your journey, the whole blogging journey, and how the fitness journey also.
Sure. Uh, okay, so once again, guys, this is Roma, and I'm a girl next door, who's like gone up and down with her career and her education and everything. Basically, I'm an automobile engineer by education, a gold medalist who had, I think Niharika would have shared with worked with a lot of automobile giants before embracing my love for. Writing and teaching small children and adults communication skills, which is my academy, which I ran. Okay, and the idea is to help them aid them bridge the gap between their intellect and expression, because in India I feel people are very intelligent, but when it comes to expressing themselves, when it comes to communication skills, they hide behind, and that is what something countries abroad take advantage of us. So I'm very keen on this. I've been working with a lot of students and a lot of adults on it for like a decade now. I also blog because writing is like breathing to me. My blog baby is very old now. I'm a very old blogger, and
No,
you can.
but it is still so refreshing when I've read a lot of blogs, I can say, but it is really refreshing when when you read something which is so human. Like it is not superficial, or you are not totally into advising everything. Like this has to be done, this needs to be done. You are like, I can connect with you basically.
See, Niharika, there's only one principle I have followed by writing, and which is also what I advise to everybody is always write straight from the heart. Because when you will write from the heart, your writings will touch hearts. I have been advocating this like anything. Initially, my blog was also called Straight from the Heart before I had to brand it to Truly Yours Roma, because that's how people knew me. But always, when you give advice, the other person may feel offended. But when you narrate your story, they relate to it. They see themselves in you. And that is actually what matters the most. So that has been my style of writing, talking, running my academy, working in a MNC. That's been my style. That is me. And that is why I call it Truly Yours Roma, because it always comes straight from the heart.
Okay. Well, I have a lot of things to learn from you, and I'm sure कि बाकी सब भी आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखना चाहेंगे. So, the first question we will be talking about basically healthy weight loss. How can we, lose our weight healthily, and especially in this lockdown? So, the first thing I wanted to ask you that what inspired you uh, to embark on your weight loss journey, and this did the lockdown deter your resolve or turn favorable for you?
Okay. See, okay. Last year in July, I underwent a surgery for endometriosis, which is a very painful condition, and I've battled it for over a decade. It was a right. So I was waiting for my body to recuperate from the surgery and then embark on the weight loss, because after surgeries, you naturally tend to gain weight, and this particular condition is treated by hormonal medicines, which further add weight. Okay, so incidentally, when I commenced my weight loss journey, that is the time the lockdown happened. So, in one way, I could not go to the gym or I could not work out, but in this other way, the lockdown honestly has turned quite favorable for me, because I'm a girl who likes to binge eat and party and go out and meet people. So when the lockdown has actually limited my eating choices, and then stranded here in Gujarat, I don't even get a single egg. So just managing with the limited means which I have, and then the household chores which I was very bad at, learning those life skills, and everything actually kind of aided
Yeah,
and conspired, for me to lose weight, and I'm like 13.6 kgs down today. So I
wow.
think in 13, 14 weeks. So it's, and I've done it without any fad diets, dear, with regular food which I am eating, which my family is eating. I'm not taking anything special with for me. And this is the reason I commenced this series for healthy weight loss during the lockdown at home on my YouTube channel, so that more people can get motivated, and because health is something which is our prime concern at the moment. The immunity, if we are fit, if we are strong, we can actually maybe give a fight to corona, that is
Corona especially. Right.
right. So this is how I started.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And actually, I have seen your series. Some few of not seen your YouTube channel, but on IGTV, I have followed two of your series. I guess the third series you have already uploaded it.
Yeah, the third episode
Yeah,
is already there. The third.
yeah, that one I have missed it, but the first and the second one I have followed it. So I'm sure you must have some tried and tips like methods to how to work on your like weight and what is your fitness level? What is how you have
Of course, dear, I have done a lot of trials, and then I have realized, and I've zeroed down on my tips, which I've been, sharing in the videos, and I'll also share with you guys here. Losing weight is very simple, and in a healthy way, even more simple. Please
okay.
don't go for any fad diets. Just remember a few basic mantras, okay? And you don't even need to buy any new thing. It's all available in the kitchen. Our herbs, our spices are so damn potent that you won't, you just go and read about each and everything and you'll go crazy. I'll give you a sneak peek into my routine. I'll be very honest, see, I am not a dietitian. I can just tell you what I had done, and these all have really helped me crazily. It's not about only losing weight, it's also about feeling very happy and very healthy and very comfortable in your skin, right? So, the first thing I always tell everyone is that, guys, begin your your weight loss journey with detoxifying your body, and which can be done very easily with a lot of detoxifying infused drinks which are available in our kitchen. Like, I begin my day with simple hing zira water. Just boil them together for 5 minutes and sip it, or with cinnamon water, right?
Okay.
These, they really help in cleansing all the all the toxins in your body, all the dirty fat over a period of time. They cleanse your gut. When your gut is cleansed, half of the diseases are gone, and half of the bad things and all bad cholesterol, and it works in every favor. If you have bad cholesterol, or if you have sugar, if you have, soak methi dana seeds overnight and have them in the morning and drink that water. It's another very, very strong infused drink. Then around 11:30 mid morning, I have my ginger turmeric tea, one of the best immunity drinks, one of the best anti-inflammatory drug, natural, which is also recommended in Ayurveda. Okay, ginger helps in weight loss, all of us know. Okay, after lunch and after dinner, I have another detoxifying drink. I'm just telling you because all of that really helps. You can alternate, you need not
So
have all of them.
lunch and dinner is normal, like the usual the Indian home cooked meal. Nothing special.
No, see, you have to balance out the portions. Let me finish the detoxifying drinks, then I'll come to the eating part, lunch and dinner. Okay, right? After lunch and dinner, we can have simple soft ajwain water. Okay, it is very helpful in weight loss. Okay, for evening, I have wheatgrass juice, which is very good for our skin, which is very good for our intestines. One okay. And if you feel you're low in energy someday, just go for lemon water with honey. Okay, so all these drinks have water, which is a magic potion for weight loss. You will say it's very difficult to have 2 to 3 liters of water per day, but if you have one big mug of all these drinks, you already cover like more than 2, 3, 4 liters of water, and you are totally cleansed. You'll notice a change in your skin. You'll notice your nails start growing. There'll be calcium. Everything will feel so good. Okay,
Okay.
so this is my tip number 1. Before I go to tip number 2, I'll answer your question about diet. Okay, where you were saying what should we have in lunch and dinner. Okay, see, for lunch, for breakfast and lunch, you many people say that go away from carbs. No, you eat carbs, but you eat healthy carbs. Eat whole grains. Eat quinoa. Eat oats. Eat all these things which are barley. Okay, eat whole grains. Eat a multi-grain roti rather than having 2 wheat rotis.
Okay.
because sometimes gluten can be a cause of your stuck weight, depending upon some people have gluten allergy like me. The moment I
Mhm.
started reducing gluten in my diet, I started losing weight. Okay, so
Okay.
have carbs, but if you are having two chapatis, have one.
Mhm.
Have a multigrain
Okay.
chapati, rather have a oats chapati, have a lot of variety. Okay,
Mhm.
and have protein in all your diets. That will really help, right? Have a lot of sauteed veg. They have vitamin and minerals. Whenever like I binge eat on something, the next day I have a detox diet with all these sauteed veggies, and maybe I add mint chutney, everything homemade.
Mhm.
Don't eat
Mhm.
anything which have preservatives. It will make your weight get stuck, and then you feel bad about it, right? Now, coming to
Okay.
my second tip from personal experience, I believe that after you detoxify your body, please
Mhm.
detoxify your brains, because most of the time we don't lose weight because our brain keeps telling us हमसे ना हो पाएगा. We won't be able to do it. Okay,
हाँ.
because oh मैं चाय पिए बिना नहीं रह सकती, मुझे तो 6 कप चाय चाहिए, मुझे तो चीनी चाहिए, I need sugar, I need salt, right? So you have to and what happens is you stop taking everything one fine day, and 7 days later you say, boss, I'm done, I can't do it. So don't
Mhm.
do that. Start
It happened
reducing your
usually.
portion size and start reducing the frequency. Okay, if you
Right.
like ice cream and you eat it every day, start eating it once in 3 days,
Control.
then once in 5 days, and once in 7 days, and also lesser amount. And then
Okay.
your brain gets trained. For example, today, there'll be a glass of mango shake kept in front of me. I can't drink it. I want to drink it because I can, because I have lost a lot of weight and I want to maintain it to a certain level. ऐसा ना हो कि abrupt follow और फिर abrupt gain हो, but I'm not able to drink it because my brain is trained. No, this is fat. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Okay.
So you have
Uh,
to train your brain, and that is where the weight loss happens.
all right. So
Tell
basically,
your
okay.
you
Yeah, you
have
were.
to you have to keep repeating to your brain that okay, I'm losing weight and I'm losing it in a healthy manner. That's because my body is the shrine where I live, where I will be living for the rest of my life. So I have to keep
Mhm.
it healthy, I have to keep it strong, I have to keep it fit, so that to my grandchild, to whom I'm writing letters today, I'm able to hold him in my hands 60 years, 30, 40 years later.
Right.
Right, right. So you have to keep on telling your brain that thing, because मुझे लगता है कि weight loss is more of a mental game than physical game. You will get a lot of diets, you will get everything on internet. On that
Mm-hmm.
note, I'd like to mention I got a lot of good advice from your diet lounge. They have some very good dietitians, but
Okay.
मुझे eventually यही समझ में आया, with the kind of medical condition I have and everything, it is your brain which plays the major role. So tell your
Okay.
brain that I'll weight lose. So I'll tell you one thing. For the last 70, 80 days, there's not even one day when I have not done my morning walk.
Okay.
I get up at 3 a.m. I write from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. That's my morning routine. Okay. I keep working on different projects. I'm also a freelancer and I have to plan my classes for the academy. And then 5 o'clock, I'll go to my terrace and I'll start walking. Someday I want to sleep, but my brain will not let me. I get up, I wear my shoes, and then I'm on the terrace and I feel so good. Once my step counter gives the alarm, you're done. Then I'll do whatever. So that is taming your brain in your favor,
Right.
not only
Right.
for weight loss, for blogging, darling, for whatever journey you have
Basically, you have to
taken in.
discipline yourself into that.
Yes, keep telling your brain has beautiful sectors. Okay, just put things in the sectors and it is the best reminder you'll get. Okay,
Mm.
and quickly, the third tip which I say is always remember that it's 70% diet and 30% exercise.
Right. Right.
Right, so please give your body some mobility, some kind of a physical activity, so that your metabolism keeps working.
Okay. All
Right,
right.
you're getting my point. Just
Yeah.
walk around, do brisk walk. Okay,
Brisk.
put your step counter. Brisk walk करने के लिए क्या होगा, plug in very loud, very fast music. जितना तेज म्यूजिक होगा उतना तेज तेज आप वॉक करोगे. घर के अंदर करो, छत पे करो, कहीं भी करो, स्टेयर्स पे करो. Okay, number of steps totally depend upon you. Do yoga. If you like yoga, do 11 surya namaskar, do 21. जितना होता है उतना करो. Do whatever you want, but have some form of physical activity. And after lunch or dinner, please take a 20-minute stroll. So if you don't want to walk after lunch, it's very silly. Please do your household chores after lunch. For example, once I finish having my lunch, I have those 20 minutes where I can't sit and I have to stroll. So I do my mopping and sweeping that time. So it's well
Okay.
utilized 20 minutes. The food doesn't just sit in my system, it is mobilized and there is no fat accumulation.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
have to keep our metabolism running. That is very critical. So three things: detoxify your body with all the drinks, immunity drinks. Take utmost care that you're having a balanced diet. You're
Right.
having lots of vegetables and fruits. You are having protein in every diet. You're having good carbohydrates. You're having good fat, which is olive oil or ghee. You should not have more than 1 to 2 teaspoons per day of ghee or olive oil
Okay.
if you are on a strict weight loss journey like I am.
Okay.
And have a handful of nuts,
All right.
right? Have 5 small meals in a day, okay? Breakfast, mid morning, lunch, mid evening, dinner.
Dinner.
Right? Small meals, enjoy everything, don't give up anything, make it zero, except for I refrain from caffeine, chai, coffee, alcohol. I refrain from them, but that's personal choice. You can limit them to a certain extent because dietitians do allow them. Okay,
Okay.
I have really gone a little strict,
Fun.
but then
No,
I'm very happy with myself that way. I
no,
am.
if you are disciplining yourself
It
to do
really
something,
helps.
it
It really helps.
will have an
Uh,
effect. For us.
it really helps. I feel
And
very good.
and then when we will see that that effect is happening, what we wanted, then we feel motivated, and then we go ahead with the
Exactly.
same discipline.
I'll tell you guys of something very silly who all are here with us. That my motivation is my weighing scale. Every day in the morning, I go and check my weight. Everybody tells me you can't check your weight every day, and you should check it like once in a while, or like after 4 5 days, or after a week. I don't know. I tell them everybody needs a motivation. The moment I stare, it says 200 grams less or 300 grams less. I'm happy. Mission accomplished for yesterday. And the day I gain, I'm like, no, what did I do yesterday? So much of self introspection. It really helps. So everybody can have a motivation. You don't need to check your weight every day. I just don't recommend that. But you need to have some motivation towards maybe a holiday. Ab to wo bhi nahi ho sakta. A holiday you wish to take.
Every day is a holiday.
So, but have some motivation. It really helps. I want all of you to be fit. It is not about losing weight, but it's very important to be healthy.
Right.
Women health
Back
in
back on
India is the most ignored thing.
right.
We
Right.
take care of our family, we take care of our in-laws. हम सबको अच्छा खिलाते हैं, अच्छा बनाते हैं. But when it comes to ourselves, we will make a kada, but we'll not drink it. We'll give it to everybody in the house. Why? That is a typical Indian woman, and that is what I've been writing all through my life on women empowerment. But women empowerment also talks about women health. Yeah, please take care of yourself. You don't need to be skinny. You don't, but then you really need to be on a happy, healthy side,
Right.
right?
When I will tell you about myself, I too realized this, and then part of me wanted to, explore this thing, at least the healthy side of me. After pregnancy, especially, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं healthy feel नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm not fit anymore. Stairs चढ़ने में थोड़ा सा, सांस फूलने लगती थी. So I was like, अभी I've stepped on 30. I'm in my like early 30s. मैं इतनी जल्दी इतनी बुरी हो जाऊंगी मुझे लगा नहीं था. I took one BMI also, and that was showing me 40. Around my age, body age was around 40, above 40. So I thought कि नहीं मुझे change करना है, and then I decided to do something. Now through exercise, I was like, okay, ठीक है, through exercise, what can I do? So through exercise, I set a target of like around losing 6 to 7 kgs first, and then तो for a whole year मेरा कोई ऐसा मतलब ऐसा सेट टारगेट नहीं था कि मुझे 6 महीने में या 3 मंथ में सेट टारगेट ये खत्म करना है. आई टुक माई टाइम. मैंने कहा 1 साल में मैं आराम से लूज करूंगी वेट, एंड दैट हैपेंड. But I've seen I have lost that discipline after the lockdown. What happened? The household chores, they were on my head, and of course my husband helped, but it's like okay, थोड़ा सा कर लिया, अब सब खाना वाना बना लिया, झाड़ू पोछा भी किया, सब थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करना जरूरी है. So in that way, and morning time, what happens that फिर morning मेरा ऑफिस वर्क रहता है, तो वो उस वजह से मिस आउट हो जा रहा है. That too I tried to balance, but I guess by listening you to like after your recommendation, I will start again brisk walking.
I'll tell you my story, Niharika. It's vice versa. Like you, I was also having a lot of cooks, and I'm very bad at these basic cooking and sweeping and mopping. I had never done
I'm
in my
also not
life,
good at
right? And that became my motivation. मैंने बोला कि
okay.
if I'll just keep doing these stuff, I'm going to go mad. Within a week of the lockdown, I set two goals for myself. I said I will first embark on my weight loss journey. If there is a time, the time is now. And
Okay.
second, I will write a book if I'll be creatively satiated in the morning. Like if I get up by 3 and 4, and if I finish my writing and my brisk walk in the morning by 7 8, I'll be creatively satisfied that I'm moving in the direction of my goals. उसके बाद मुझसे कुछ भी काम करा लो. Right, so that is typically me, because otherwise I will get depressed or whatever. Nothing fruitful is happening, there's nothing constructive. What am I doing? Why am I just cleaning and mopping? So always, if you land up in such a situation, Niharika, try to set a goal. Even if it's a small goal or it's a big goal, you will feel so creatively satisfied. Internally you will smile, and that smile of your heart is the real thing, I believe. When your heart smiles in happiness, so when you go and wake up your child, you'll be like happy, because you internally, okay guys, I'm done for today. Okay, so that is what really matters. Always set goals, small goals, or
Right.
large goals, but always work towards your goals, then everything else will fall in place.
It gives you a purpose actually, and then you work
Exactly,
to
exactly,
keep the
exactly.
mind also busy and then keeps you motivated.
Right.
Right. So, so is it true that eating after 8 p.m. makes you put on weight?
uh, I would say that you should eat your dinner 2 hours before you sleep at least,
At least. Right.
right? Because if you just eat and sleep, your body will not get time to, your metabolism to even set in, and all of them will get accumulated, right? I have my dinner between 6:30 to 7, and
Hmm.
I sleep by 10, 9 to 10
Okay.
p.m., right? So
Hmm.
try, just set a thumb rule, have your dinner 2 hours before you sleep,
Right.
right? And make your dinner your lightest possible meal, right?
Not a heavy dinner.
Have a good green soup made of broccoli, carrot, tomatoes, garlic, saute
Hmm.
them well in all the spices you want, and then grind it, and then enjoy it, right? Something like that. Or maybe a smoothie of all your favorite fruits. I love papaya smoothie with oats
Hmm.
and cinnamon.
Is it
it's
okay
it's a
to like have juice in your dinner, or like in the evening hours?
No, you can have anything that you want. You can have, like, I have things like that. I have a little pasta salad sometime. I want to make it exotic in the evening, and when I don't feel like cooking, I have two toast and peanut butter. Peanut butter, it helps us. It's excellent source of protein. It helps us lose weight as well. Okay, have a
Hmm.
lot of charge. Okay, so try to make dinner your lightest meal. Not
Okay.
necessarily that I'm telling you that don't eat chapati, or have it. You can have chapati with some veg, or you can have dal and chapati, or you can have two bowls of moong dal with 1 glass of charge. Try to have whatever you enjoy in lunch and breakfast.
Okay.
Try to make dinner your lightest meal. It really
Right.
helps. And
Especially then, huh.
one magic tip which has really worked for me is I don't take salt in dinner.
Okay.
The day I don't take salt in dinner, next day the weighing scale moves fantastically. Right? So
Okay.
sugar and
Okay.
salt are two culprits which helps us take a lot of weight.
Well, we cannot like exactly एक बार में नहीं कर सकते हैं, but
नहीं, आप धीरे धीरे कम कम
salt
करते जाओ salt को. Exactly. Some days I want to have salt, so I put it in it. I want to have charge with black salt, so I put it. So you don't have to skip salt for every day, but I'm just telling you that one magic tip is,
because
if
salt is
you,
also necessary, right?
yeah, no, what
But
I'm trying to tell you is that when you are
hmm.
wanting to lose weight, skipping
Hmm.
salt only in dinner.
Only in dinner.
helps.
Okay.
Yes, only in dinner. I'm just telling you one magic tip is only just don't take it during the dinner. It really helps me.
Okay. Okay.
Right? And white sugar, anyways, you can replace with jaggery. You can have a cup of tea with jaggery. गुड़ की चाय बहुत yummy होती है. Try making it.
Uh-huh. In the
Right?
like it is easier in the winter season, but summers में थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है कि वो गर्म ना हो जाए. So for that,
No, it is not. They are made up of the same thing, so you don't need to worry about that. One and two. Secondly, if you have a sweet tooth and you have sweet cravings, try making oats, almond, and honey laddus. They are awesome.
okay.
They are very good for your children. Whenever they ask for a laddu, give them this laddu, grind them together, roast them perfectly, grind them together. Courtesy recipe, Your Diet Launch, they have given it to me because I was having a sweet craving. Okay, and guys, what I'm telling you categorically is that these are specifically out of my journey. I write about them a lot, I preach them a lot, but in case you have a medical condition, please do consult a doctor and then take to these tips. It is very, very important.
Right. So moving on to next question, or should we take a look?
Audience question.
Comments.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah.
Someone has. Hello. Uh,
I can't even see who all are there. Hi Sonal, hi Noor.
Mom,
Uh,
Kinshu is like is
Hi
saying
Kinshu.
I am tea addict. A lot of
A lot of us Indians
है ना
are.
हाँ,
A lot of. But
Indian.
Kinshu, you have to limit your tea intake, my darling, because it really matters a lot. Try to, reduce the number of counts.
Right. Mukherjee Richa is saying absolutely. She's showing a thumbs up.
There is a
Kinshu
question from Noor. I can. It just went up. Just try. There's a question from Noor.
wait. Wow, Komal, very impressive weight loss. This one.
There are a lot of questions. I think from Wiggling Pen also there's a question. They
Okay.
started moving on my screen. How should I see them? If I click and the live go away.
Scroll it down or up. Noor is saying, I hate the weighing scale.
Okay, I got Noor's question. I'll read it out for you, Niharika, because we might run short of time. Noor is asking, how do we ensure that we don't put the weight back on after we stop the diet?
Right.
Okay, Noor, my dear, what all I'm telling you is a change in our lifestyle. I'm not asking us to go on any diet. Okay, we will have a balance. I'm not asking us to go on any keto or anything, right? I'm just trying to make these changes in my lifestyle forever to remain happy and healthy. For example, I'm what I'm eating in my breakfast, even if it's like honey curd muesli with a lot of fruits. Okay, so I want to adopt it as my lifestyle because it's giving my gut the probiotic, it's giving the muesli is giving the desired carb, the nuts in the muesli are giving me the desired good fats. So the idea is that if you go on a strong diet and then the moment you give up diet and come back to your normal food, you will immediately start gaining weight. So, what I'm trying to share is healthy weight loss tips where we will make all these tips our lifestyle. We are going to live with it.
Okay.
I'm asking you to have a multi-grain roti in lunch, with your paneer gravy. Okay, so you can enjoy it even today. You can enjoy it later when you are out of your diet, because whenever we'll diet and whenever we leave it, some of the weight will definitely come. And a lot of dietitians give sustenance plan, but they're very difficult. So we have to change our very own thought process. That how we don't take it as a diet, please. Take it as your lifestyle change. Very, very essential for us, as we step from our 30s to 40s and 50s, right? So that is what I intend to do, Noor, and that is what I recommend to you also, dear. I hope I've answered your question.
And for rice also, a lot of like a lot of people avoid rice during lunch, or some take lunch rice and then what's the controversy over that?
I
Should we
don't
take?
know. I take rice. Curd rice is my comfort food in the afternoon. Okay. Summer rice I love. I make lemon rice. Okay.
Okay,
See, the idea is don't have chapati, rice, dal, everything. Have
okay,
one carb and have one protein.
okay,
Okay, so if carb is your rice, dal is your protein. If okay, if rice is your carb, curd is your protein.
right,
When you will add dal and curd both, then you mess up the gaining weight thing. That the gaining weight thing comes up, right? So have, but then one thing very important is the portion size. वो हमें अब हमेशा के लिए होता क्या है ना, मेरे my child left, that also I'll eat, my plate, that also I'll eat. Okay,
हाँ,
that is wrong. The
हम्म,
portion size is very important.
हम्म,
And please don't be hungry. Please eat. You're feeling hungry, have a handful of almonds. Okay, have a handful of pistachios. Okay, have a handful of dry roasted makhanas. किसी को भी भूखा नहीं मरना है. It's okay. हाँ,
right,
अगर तुम्हारा कल वेट बढ़ता है, we don't have to die starving. We have to eat a lot,
right. And
right?
even like अगर हम थोड़ा भूखे भी रहते हैं तो then वो भी कोई भी
Yeah,
काम अच्छे से नहीं हो
there
पाता है.
is no need. There is no need.
Right.
Okay, there is a question from Bigling Pen. Can you see it?
Yeah, how to give up, darling, being
From
from
foodie
she's a
foodie
foodie,
family.
and
Yeah, yeah.
she's
She's from my
asking how to
family
give up
also.
happily.
She's also from my family. Okay, Ruchi, Ruchi, all of us are extreme foodies. We don't have to give up anything there. We just have to eat everything in a balanced manner. Okay, we should control our portion size. We should control at what time. If I like rajma rice, I have it in lunch. If it's a little more fatty, in the night I will have maybe a papaya, oats, lemon, coconut water smoothie.
Hmm.
So I have got lots and lots of nutrients, but they will all aid in losing weight, right? तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ना है. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा है apart from tea and coffee, जो मुझे पहले भी पसंद नहीं था. So there is nothing big to brag about, right?
She's pakka pakka.
She's okay. I understand because we both are equal foodies. I used to be a real foodie, and I'm still a foodie. I'm still a foodie. There is no doubt about it, and I eat everything. Today afternoon I made dosas and sambar. Okay, so I did have it. I ate one dosa and I ate a bowl of sambar. That's enough. I really enjoyed. Right.
Okay.
I will not jump on it कि 2-3 इडली भी खानी है, एक डोसा भी खाना है, सांबर भी 2 कटोरी ले. I'm trying to manage my portion size. And the day I'm actually hungry, मैं कुछ नहीं है, I eat it. It's okay.
Okay.
I am not starving to death because that will be wrong. Right? We should do it gradually but more consistently. The first 2 months,
not at once, but break down. We can break down the meals.
steadily. We have to do it very steadily. मतलब आपका जो वेट जा रहा है वो वापस ना आए. We don't have to rush into it. We don't have to hurry into it. We have to cleanse our body. हम body के toxins निकाल रहे हैं. We should feel happy about it. Okay? We are giving our gut very good health. We should be happy about it. We are taking a lot of immunity drinks. We should be happy about it, right? We are eating what we like. So basically, or you should enjoy what you eat. TV देखते हुए मत खाओ. If when you're watching TV, you tend to eat a lot. Be very mindful while you're eating. Eat what you like.
In Indian like especially setup, हमारे साथ सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम यही होता है कि हम लोग टीवी चालू करके बैठ जाते हैं and then we are like आने दो जितना रहे अच्छा लग रहा है और खा रहे हैं.
Exactly. And then your parents will say, नहीं बेटा एक रोटी और ले ले, नहीं बेटा.
हाँ हाँ.
तो ना,
वो प्यार को करने का ज्यादा अच्छा तरीका होता है.
Exactly. My mother-in-law feels very sad that I'm not eating. She was at my place in Holi before I came to Vadodara, and she used to feel so bad. 2 days back, she got, are you still not eating? No, ma, I'm eating. I'm eating fruits. I'm eating vegetables. You know, they have this pain कि अरे 2 रोटी नहीं लिया इसने, चावल नहीं लिया. How will she live? But that myth has to go. I feel much more happier, you know, when I take a green soup. इतना अच्छा लगता है. I really love broccoli carrot soup, you know, with a lot of onions and tomatoes and garlics को उसके खूब अच्छे से saute करके, you know, you grind it and you sip it. It's really yum and it's very filling.
My favorite is like just stir
All
frying
veggies.
everything, all the veggies and then have it in the dinner. वो मेरा
बेस्ट
favorite
है.
है हमेशा.
मेरा भी है. मेरा भी.
कुछ
आई
नहीं
टेल यू.
और
उसको
दूसरा
उसको
तो
उस पे ना वन और टू मीडियम साइज बॉइल्ड पोटैटो डालो. यू एंड पुट सम कर्ड ऑन इट, सो यू विल एंजॉय दैट पोटैटो चैट.
हाँ, I put honey on it, like थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
tangy taste आता है
exact.
ना, तो
Sorted
वो
veggies are my go-to every time I have my endo pain, because endometriosis is a very colicky pain, right? So every time it pains, I have to go very low on carbs and everything. So I just have my sorted veggies, aloo chaat I make. I boil some potatoes, I put some curd, I put some mint chutney. It really tastes yum. और कभी कभी क्या होता है कि I go for 2-3 days without any, you know, olive oil or ghee, क्योंकि मुझे जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. I just keep eating like if you want to eat paneer paratha, have paneer roti. If you want to have aloo paratha, have aloo roti with curd. Okay, and sometimes smear a spoon of ghee on it. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वो भी उतना ही जरूरी है.
आज अभी तो ये बहुत ज्यादा बोला जा रहा है ना कि घी अच्छा मतलब खाना
वही
चाहिए.
तो 1 spoon of ghee or 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee is always recommended, or use olive oil. I eat ghee because I'm a ghee lover. मुझे taste का बड़ा वो है, so I eat ghee. And I also say that, like I said before also, सब चीज खाओ. अगर सब चीज छोड़ दोगे तो फिर जब खाओगे तो सब कुछ वापस आ जाएगा. इसलिए बेटर है कि अपनी वर्कआउट करो और उसके संग बैलेंस करके ईट भी करो. Right? I have not given up rice at all. People say don't eat rice. I eat white rice. Curd rice, I told you, is my favorite food. I always eat it. I make idli dosas. I make everything. I have a lot of paneer rotis and aloo rotis and onion rotis and all. Parathas basically, thick ones with curd. Have cucumber chach. It is very good. Again,
especially in summer, it is like totally.
It is, yeah, very good for our children. जितने भी मैंने detoxifying drinks बताए, immunity drinks बताए, very good for our children also. उनको भी एक कप पिला दो, husband को पिला दो. My husband is drinking everything that time. I think उसको weighing scale पे खड़ा करेंगे तो 10 kg उसका भी कम हो गया होगा.
For that, the drinks which you have mentioned, like मेथी का water, तो ये आपको overnight
वो
soak
kids को,
करना पड़ता है.
हाँ, वो kids को नहीं देना है लेकिन, okay?
Okay.
है ना, वो हमारे लिए, राइट? आप किड्स को कुकिंग में थोड़ा बहुत मेथी दाना जो यूज करते हो वो करो. ओके, सब चीज को किसी को भी सोक करो. सिनेमन को भी ओवरनाइट सोक कर सकते हो. I'm a very lethargic person, so I boil everything in the morning and I sip it. It's awesome, यार. मैं सच बोल रही हूँ. You go to your terrace with your big mug.
हाँ, अभी क्योंकि रेडियो वगैरह में भी जो my husband listen to विविध भारती and उसमें मैं उसके साथ में ये सब चीजें जो आपने मुझे बताया अभी, ये सब हम भी बताते हैं कि आप ये बॉईल करके इसको पियेंगे तो इम्यूनिटी बढ़ेगी है ना लेना.
बहुत अच्छा होता है. I'm a very poor cook, but there's some question. Okay. So I was telling you about what, these immunity drinks. I always, apart from a healthy weight loss thing, make a काढ़ा for your kids and your family every day in the night. दिन में जो मर्जी हो खिलाओ, दिन में जो मर्जी हो eat. What is eat? I don't know. Eat whatever you want in the day, but in the night before sleep, give them a glass of काढ़ा. Try to put all the ingredients, tulsi and ginger and cardamom and cinnamon and what else, gur, okay, and what all we put, ajwain, okay, and a little bit of turmeric, and boil them together for 5 minutes, and then with a spoon of honey give it to them. टोटल म्यूकस चेस्ट सब क्लियर हो जाएगा. हम भी पी सकते हैं. गुड़ अवॉइड कर लो या गुड़ ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. गुड़ इज वेरी रिच इन आयरन, सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर न्यूट्रिएंट्स, पर रात को मत लो. राइट, दिस इम्यूनिटी ड्रिंक इज सुपर ऑसम. सुबह एक भगोना भर के बना लो, दिन भर खुद भी पियो, हस्बैंड को भी पिलाओ, बच्चों को भी पिलाओ, लॉस को भी पिलाओ, whoever is there. These immunity drinks, because in these COVID times there is nothing else than to work on our immunity. हम ये नहीं सोच सकते कि हम बचेंगे इससे, because everybody, we don't even know, because people are not getting tested. Right? So it is very important, these drinks. And लकीली आई वाज इन द हैंड्स ऑफ द राइट डाइटिशियंस, उन्होंने मुझे ये सब सिखाया। इनमें से जो कुछ भी मेरे लिए वर्क किया, आई हैव adopted it like a lifestyle, and I'm not going to leave it because it makes me feel very happy, and I want to share this knowledge. I blog on this, I do videos on this, you know, because abhi mujhe lagta hai ki there is nothing more important than the health, because
Right.
you're sitting at home only because of that scare.
Like पूरा shifted towards your health and basically सभी
Yes.
जगह worldwide only.
There is a beautiful comment from Sonal from Aura of Thoughts. I use smaller spoons so that I feel tired eating and I end up eating less. This is a beautiful tip, Sonal.
Japanese ये tips use करते हैं. They
Yeah. Yeah, when I used to work in Japan, I used to wonder ये मेरे कैंटीन में इतने छोटे स्पून ऐसे क्यों? दे वो बेसिकली तो ज्यादातर चॉपस्टिक से ही खाते हैं, बट उनकी स्पून हाँ बहुत ही छोटी होती हैं. बट I like your trip, Sonal, but I like having my curd rice and all with my hand and 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 ये इस छोटी स्पून वाला. लेकिन I have seen a lot of people using this tip. Perfect. Guys,
does psychology also plays a major role in weight loss?
Yes, Sonal, I told you a whole long thing on training our brain to help us lose weight. My second tip was that in the beginning of the session, I had told categorically that losing weight is a mental game, totally a mental game. If our brain is trained to aid us lose weight, we keep losing weight. Even okay, it is that because it's eventually our brain which gives signals to the rest of the body, right? I have trained my weight. My brain gradually, but now it's totally set. Anything which is unhealthy, people are partying in front of me, I'm not able to touch it. I want to eat it, but I'm not able to touch it. There's something which pushes me, or I'll sip it and I'll say, okay, I'm done. See, I tasted it. I'm very happy about it. So that thing is very, very important. So it's psychology, which is the first important thing. After उसके बाद जो भी हम नुस्खे और घर के तरीके और brisk walk और जो भी बोल रहे हैं वो सब आता है. But पहले आपको अपने brain को कहना है कि yes, I can lose weight. And I will lose it in a healthy manner, and I will lose it gradually, and I will lose it permanently, and I will lose it without any fat diet, right? I will lose what I will eat, my family also eats. We cannot in the long run make one diet for me and one diet for my family. It's impossible, especially in these times when we don't know that हम maids को कब बुलाने वाले हैं वापस. No idea. Right? So it is very important to convince our brains and to help us in the direction of weight loss.
Okay, so I think now we should move ahead with the questions.
Yes, please.
We have like even after like few minutes are left only. So my next question is, how do I figure out like how many calories should I be eating a day?
Okay, Niharika, it's a very good question actually. But I'll tell you one thing. There are a lot of calorie counters available online wherein you can count the number of calories you are eating and also check the number of calories you have burnt out while you've worked out. Suppose 5,000 या 7,500 steps किए तो कितने calories burnt हुए. Basically, the principle is called the calorie deficit principle. आपका weight loss तभी होगा जब जितने calories आपने consume किए हैं उससे ज़्यादा calories आपने burn किए हैं. Okay, but रोज हम ये कर करके check नहीं कर सकते. Honestly, there are a lot of apps. I don't want to name them because this is not against or against any apps, you know, which help you count calories and then eat and you know. But basically dietitians यही करते हैं. जब आपको diet plan देते हैं तो आपका calorie intake check करते हैं कि कितना calorie वो आपको खिला रहे हैं. उसी में variety built in करने की कोशिश करते हैं. लेकिन हम ये रोज नहीं कर सकते. तो basically आप ये हमें in the long run ये adjust हो जाना चाहिए कि हम जितना workout कर रहे हैं, जैसे आपको लगता है कि आप ये एक बार check कर लो कि मैं ये 2 चपातीस लेती हूँ, ये बॉइल्ड ये लेती हूँ, ये लेती हूँ, ये लेती हूँ, इसके मेरे कितने कैलोरीज हो गए, और अगर मैं 7500 स्टेप्स करती हूँ तो मेरे को कितने कैलोरीज बर्न होते हैं. ओके, उसी के रेशो में आप एवरीडे सोच सकते हो कि अरे मैंने आज 2 की जगह 3 चपातीस खाया तो मेरा इतना थोड़ा कैलोरी ज्यादा हुआ होगा, तो मैं 7500 की जगह 10,000 स्टेप्स करूंगी. बट रोज हम चेक नहीं कर सकते. एटलीस्ट आई डोंट चेक. राइट. मैं डिटॉक्स डाइट कर लेती हूँ अगले दिन. For example, suppose today I go to barbecue because I like all these things, eating and partying and everything. Okay, so bindas खाने का, because there's a concept of cheat diet also. Okay, bindas खाने का, लेकिन जब next day you can take a detox diet. Basically, there are a lot of detox diets available on the webs also. They are very easy. Okay, for example, there's a papaya detox diet, which is, I can share the details maybe after this live or maybe here itself. You eat papaya in the morning, and in the lunch you eat sauteed veg. Okay, with the potato chaat that I told you, and in the dinner again you have this papaya oat smoothie. ओके, तो जितना पहले दिन का वो बैलेंस आउट कर देता है. और मिड मॉर्निंग में यू ईट अ लॉट ऑफ आलमंड्स, एंड मिड इवनिंग में यू कैन हैव अ बॉइल्ड एग और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो ऐसे नहीं है कि आपको स्टार्व करा रहे हैं, बट डिटॉक्स डाइट्स होती हैं दैट्स अवेलेबल. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड